Phoenician joints is a locked mortise and tenon wood joinery technique used in shipbuilding to fasten watercraft hulls. The technique consists of cutting two rectangular mortises that line up into the edges of two adjacent planks and filling and therefore joining the mortises with a rectangular tenon. The assembly is then locked, or pinned or pegged, by driving dowels into holes drilled through both the mortise side wall and the tenon. The peg merely holds the tenons tightly in the mortises. The mortises and tenons hold the planks together. The tenons, and especially pins, must be carefully crafted to fit tightly, as the joint's strength and durability rely on the mechanical forces applied to the wood, but the process is referred to as loose tenon joinery because the tenon is not sawn into either plank, but loose. The joint is a clever solution to add strength to withstand forces generated by ramming other ships and lock the hull planking tight to reduce leakage, as waterproof glues were not invented until the 1930s. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.